Have you ever wondered how the golden, juicy pineapples are available all over the world with such consistent quality? Behind it is a large-scale production process, applying scientific and technical advances from land preparation, cultivation, harvesting with specialized machinery, to automatic processing and packaging in the factory. Let's lift the veil of secrecy of the modern pineapple industry. The journey to a sweet pineapple begins with careful soil preparation. Machinery loosens the soil, creating a loose texture that allows roots to grow easily. The soil is plowed deeply and compacted, ready for the new crop. Leveling and creating raised beds is essential for good drainage, as pineapples do not like waterlogging. Straight rows of soil help excess rainwater drain away quickly, protecting plant roots. The soil is nourished with fertilizer, improving soil structure and helping to retain moisture. Next, the beds are covered with plastic sheeting. This helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and protect the soil. Seedlings from the previous crop are collected and evenly distributed on prepared beds. Each bed is usually planted with 2 rows of pineapples. Workers skillfully plant each pineapple plant by hand, ensuring proper spacing and depth. Pineapples are low-growing shrubs, not trees. Planting technique is also very important. The seedling must be pressed firmly into the bottom of the hole, ensuring that there are no gaps between the roots and the soil. This helps the roots to have good contact with the soil, quickly take root and absorb nutrients. In addition to manual methods, in some places, machines are also used to assist. These machines help make holes and place seedlings faster. Workers sit on the machine, skillfully moving each seedling into the right position with their hands. If any spots are missed, a small sign is left. A handful of planting material is placed on the surface of the bed so that the following group can easily spot and plant more. And so, in a steady rhythm, plant by plant, the seeds of hope are planted. After a while, the young pineapple field will be evenly green. This uniformity is important for the plants to receive enough light and nutrients. When the plant is old enough, a special treatment is given. The farmer uses a special solution, usually a growth regulator, to spray on the leaves. This solution acts as a signal, telling the plant that it is time to change, to prepare for flowering and fruiting. This process is called flowering treatment. Once cured, the magic begins. From among the lush, green foliage, clusters of tiny, pretty flowers begin to sprout. At first, they are single flowers, a soft pink-purple in color. Gradually, the flower stalks thicken, and the tiny flowers fuse together, forming a single mass, the original shape of the pineapple. This process takes several weeks to complete. Young pineapples grow, turning from green to yellow as they ripen. The entire process from planting to harvest takes about 18 months, a long journey that requires meticulous care. When the pineapple skin starts to change color, it is a sign that a bountiful harvest is coming. This is an important moment. When the skin turns golden brown and the flesh reaches the perfect balance of sweet and sour, the pineapple is ready. On this farm, most of the pineapples are harvested by hand. Human hands are still the best option. Workers play an important role. They gently pick each fruit, being careful not to bruise or damage it. Implementing specialized technology, like this autonomous harvesting conveyor system, will make a big difference in this process. The machine moves slowly through the field, allowing workers to accurately select each qualified pineapple. They use specialized tools such as knives or scissors to skillfully separate the pineapple from the tree without affecting the quality of the fruit. The self-propelled conveyor system moves slowly through the plantation, allowing pickers to carefully and delicately select each pineapple at the right level of ripeness. Softness is key to avoid any bumps or damage. Workers carefully pick pineapples by hand and place them on the conveyor belt. Each pineapple is picked, placed on a conveyor belt, and transferred into a large container. One interesting thing is the tops of the pineapples. They are stacked upside down in the container. Under ideal conditions, with temperatures ranging from 18 to 35 degrees Celsius, water shortages can severely affect the quality of the fruit. In the United States, pineapple farms have adopted advanced farming techniques, combining tradition with modernity. Harvesters must be extremely skilled at assessing the ripeness of each fruit. They look for specific signs to ensure the harvest is as efficient as possible. To reach consumers faster, pineapples are picked when they are at their sweetest and transported immediately to the processing plant, usually within an hour, to maintain freshness. The quality of the pineapple at this stage is extremely important, as only the best are selected. Where fresh pineapples are transformed into many attractive products, first, pineapples are pre-washed in large water tanks. This step helps remove dirt and impurities from the skin. The pineapple gently floats, then is carried by the water current to the next stage. On the conveyor belt, workers inspect and sort pineapples according to quality and size. Those that do not meet the standards for fresh sale will be used for other processing purposes. Pineapples that meet the standards are covered with a thin layer of wax. This wax layer helps retain moisture and protect the fruit during transportation. After being polished, the pineapples are dried using a fan system to slow down the ripening process, then carefully packed into crates. The finished pineapple crates are placed in cold storage to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. For canned pineapple, the process begins with washing, then a specialized machine automatically peels the skin and removes the hard core. Next, the pineapple is passed through a slicer, which produces uniform circular slices, about a centimeter thick. Each pineapple can produce about 7 slices. Workers inspect the pineapple slices, remove any remaining skin, and then place them in cans. The cans are then capped and sealed. To ensure safety and long-term preservation, pineapple boxes will be sterilized by heat in a specialized autoclave. After sterilization, the pineapple cans are cooled. Surprisingly, the whole process from fresh pineapple to finished canned product only takes about 20 minutes. In addition to canned pineapple, the factory also produces a variety of other products. On another line, pineapples are also peeled and cored by machine, then inspected and trimmed by workers. These pineapples can be cut into sticks or small pieces, which is very convenient for users. Pineapple pieces are carefully packed into plastic bags or trays. Modern machines will automatically pack and vacuum, helping to preserve the fresh flavor. Finally, the packaged pineapple products are inspected, canned, labeled, and ready to be delivered to consumers around the world. An efficient and quality-assured process.